Hello and good morning. A, B, C, D. Anybody can do an investment in the stock market. And not only that, you could be very, very successful, make a fortune for yourself, and achieve whatever you want through the stock market. It's really simple, and that is how the core portfolio workshop has been designed. Now, the beautiful thing about this workshop is that you have to have no knowledge in finance. You don't need a background in stock market. You don't need to know how to do complex calculations of the stock market. It's very simple. What we do is this: we will give you certain tools and techniques along with a workbook so that you are able to create your own portfolio, and this portfolio will last you for years and years together and help you multiply your money. So it's that simple. All you have to do is simply register for it and attend this workshop. Rest will take care of it. What we promise is that you will have an awesome day that you will spend when you spend time with us in this core portfolio workshop. It's as simple as that. What do you need to do? Two things. One, you need to bring in a calculator if you are not very comfortable using your mobile calculator. The second thing is, I would really appreciate if you can download the Money Control app in your phones. So with these two things, you're all ready to go, you're ready to roll, and you're ready to take the stock market. The whole thing will be done through a simulated stock market game. And I promise you, once again, you will enjoy this day. So if you're still thinking about registering, if you're still sitting on the fence, my suggestion is please go ahead, please register, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.